Now we're going to take a look at the File and Tools menu. Here are the typical Windows functions as New, Load and Save. Let's start with the Save menu. We can save our plot simply, let's say Test, and it's stored. Then New, well, I think it's self-explaining. Load, we go and load our file. Next thing is Print. With Print, it's very important you always print what you're going to see here. So at the moment here is the text field Edit. It's on, I turn it off. I'm going to go to Print. I'm going to choose my printer. I only got a PDF printer at the moment here installed on this PC. Here the direction, I recommend going horizontal. And actually that's it. Then you choose your printing destination, my plot. You store it and that's it. Let's take a look at the plot. Here's my plot. In my case it's a PDF printing and here it is. We can zoom in and you see it's a very high printing quality. Next thing here, manual. You will be led to an online manual. I'm at the moment not online with my PC. Here is a legal note. And now the next thing, very important, is the report. Let's take a look at the report. Okay, that's the report window. You can scroll up and down, left and right here in this key. You got the different columns like the fixture ID, type, label, patch, channel mode, shells, extras, truss. Truss means which truss it is attached to, the fixture. Here is the absolute position. The absolute position is always counted from a center 0 to a negative left and positive right. The epsilon position is always counted from upstage to downstage. Here is rotation. Let's take a look if we got some rotation. I think a truss should be rotated. Here some of the trusses are with 90 degrees rotation. And here you see the truss distance. And the truss distance is a relative distance. It's always counted from the left end of a truss. Let's see here the fixture. I think it's 101. Take a look here. Yeah, fixture 101 get X position, an absolute position of -5 meters from the center and a relative position of 1 meter from the truss. 101 is here. You can see here the absolute position is -5, but relative position from the truss is 1 meter. I think this will help you a lot in the venue, simply counting if the truss is hang correct, simply counting from its left end. Okay, then you got a possibility to sort the truss. At the moment it's sorted here by patch. Let's sort it by fixture ID. Sorry, it was sorted by fixture ID. Now we are sorting by patch. It's moving to the left and sorting up to down. The type and so on. Then we got a possibility to edit the menu. We go in edit mode and whatever we're gonna change here, let's say fixture 101, we change the patch to 8.12. Now it's moving down, 8.12. Now it's here. Now we close the dialog, we'll go to done and close it. And we can see here our fixture 101 is now with the direction 8.12. Let's go back to the report. Well, we also can go with the edit and add some other informations. I put here some gel informations, some extras, for example an iris. Let's say, here we got an iris. Iris small. Of course you can change here the label. Let's say singer I call it voice. And you see the label also is updated here from singer to voice. Then you got the possibility to print it. Again, as in the first print menu, you got the possibility to go to print to PDF or selecting every other printer you got installed on your system. And here the orientation horizontal or vertical. Let's make it horizontal. Print. Let's say report. Yeah, we're gonna call it report. I'm gonna go and open the report here in my folder. And here you see the report. Next possibility is to download it as an Excel. You give the name, a title name for the table. Let's say my patch. Export. You give a save name. My patch, well, my patch is fine. Destination, store. Now you can see it here. It's my patch of Excel. You're gonna open it. And as you see, I started as a 97 to 2003 version Excel. The reason is I wanted to make it compatible also with the oldest version of Excels. If you open it in a new version, there will be an advice, but it will open anyway. And it always opens in protected version. You have to go to enable edit, and then you can go and edit whatever you want. Next thing is you can make a copy to your clipboard as a TSV. Now it's copied. Then you go to your Excel or whatever else you use for tablets. You click where you would like to insert it and paste it, and here it is. Then of course you got a possibility to download it as a comma separated version. And finally, I think that's it here in the report menu. As you see, it's made for very, very quick outputting.